Hello class, my name is Joseph Gibson. This is my APD week 3 project review. So this week the plan was to create a way for users to be able to log in and make a calendar and add events to that calendar along with reminders. In my document, there was a bit more involved. I believe it was adding the ability to share already made calendar and for the user to be able to view that calendar and kind of lock themselves in, sort of the functionality that you would see in Outlook, where you would be able to view someone's calendar if they gave you permission, and then you could like see when they were available and add an event to that calendar. Unfortunately, we didn't get that far. I was able to create the interface and how I wanted it to look when given the ability to create the calendar. So here it is in the storyboard. So we have our appointments view controller. Sure. Okay, so here you're supposed to be able to see the calendar that you're currently using or add a new calendar. And the calendar view controller, this is where you would create a new calendar, so you'd be able to type the name of your new calendar and then see it here once you get out of there. Excuse me. Here's the edit appointment. So this is where you would add an appointment, give it a title, set your reminder, and the frequency of your reminder. Save that. Oh my gosh, excuse me. And finally, we have the appointment date, which is using the UI date picker. Functionality here is supposed to be something like you're able to choose the date and time that you have your appointment after you title it, and also use the date picker to set your alarms. Okay, I think I have it running already, so I'll log in, and then you will see where the floor falls out of this thing. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but I was working with the login because for some reason, no matter what I do, I can still get to this screen if I don't log in. I'll show you that in a second. Another thing is in the simulator, when I hit any one of my buttons, that you can see the pin drops, but then they kind of like, the map goes to this desolate island here, and it's a long way away from where I am. But in my log here, you can see that items are being pulled. When I run it on my iPad, you can see all the pins just fine. So I think that's just something with the simulator. So anyway, this is our appointments feature. Calendar was your current calendar in the general settings. Sorry. You should be able to add a calendar here. So, and this is the first issue. So it should be able to just hit return, and go back and see that calendar. It's not there. Issue number one. Secondly, I should be able to add my test there. Select the start date, so that part is working. Pick tomorrow, hit done. When I hit done, notice the blank table view cell. Same thing happens when I do the second one. And unfortunately, it keeps going. I can add a time, frequency, hit save, and then the third issue, it's not there. And I'm still working. I've been doing this thing a couple of days in a row, non-stop, so I've been yawning, so the fatigue is there. So I think I've just been looking at the code too long, so I'm going to let it go for the rest of this night and pick it back up in the morning and see what I can find. Overall, it's been pretty fun. The little setbacks that I'm having have been frustrating, but I'm sure that I'll be able to get to the bottom of those things, and I'll be ringing Mr. Madomo here in a second. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your projects.